In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk with ChatGPT in Nepali. Let's dive in and take you through it step by step. First, we're going to start by opening up your web browser. It could be any browser you prefer. Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, it's entirely up to you. Now, once you're online, we need to steer your digital horse towards Google. It's straightforward. Whether you type Google into your browser bar or you already have it set as your homepage, just head over to the Google website. On the Google homepage, you'll spot the search bar right in the center. Go ahead and type in ChatGPT there. As you begin to type, Google's autocomplete feature might kick in and offer you suggestions. These are based on popular searches, so go ahead and select ChatGPT. By entering this, we're commanding Google to fetch us all the relevant information and website links associated with ChatGPT. Now, once the search results page comes up, you'll see a plethora of links. Your task here is to find the official ChatGPT website. Typically, it should be one of the first links listed. Clicking on this will take you directly to the ChatGPT web page where the magic happens. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, you'll see a chat interface. This is your canvas. Here you can express yourself, ask questions, and make requests all in the Nepali language. Simply type anything you wish to communicate into the provided text box. Don't worry about the language barrier. ChatGPT can understand and respond in Nepali quite efficiently. It could be a question, a curiosity, or even a conversation starter. The possibilities are practically limitless. After you've composed your message in Nepali, it's time to submit it. Look for the Submit button, typically found around the text input box. It might say something like Submit or Send. Clicking on this button will send your message off into the digital ether, where ChatGPT will process it and craft a response just for you. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you're now equipped to converse with ChatGPT in Nepali. Whether it's for practice, fun, or learning, you've opened up a world of interaction. Surely, this will help in exploring language intricacies, honing skills, or simply having some fun with the AI. Remember, just like with any tool, the more you engage with ChatGPT, the better you'll get at crafting prompts that yield the most helpful responses. If you have any questions or if any issues arise, feel free to revisit these steps and try again. Enjoy your chats.